Here are some high margin, highly profitable digital product ideas for next year to kickstart your digital product business or to skyrocket your existing business to the moon. Hi, my name is Emese. I'm a digital product etzer and Etsy coach, and I like to talk about digital products, making money online, selling on Etsy, especially selling digital products on Etsy. And for today's video, I prepared a list of digital product ideas that you can sell next year, but I wanted to create a list of highly profitable ones because I consider there are a few factors which, if you take into consideration, you can charge more for your digital product. And before we start, don't forget that the pre-launch of my course Passive Income with Printables is open and you can still get the 40% discount until the 4th of December if you use the code 0to-hero. Link in the description. Now, without any further ado, let's talk about the factors that, in my opinion, are very crucial when you want to charge more for your digital product. And the first factor would be any kind of video element. Video is the future in my opinion because every platform is trying to push video, and now Etsy is on this bandwagon as well. And the first highly profitable digital product idea that I want to talk about: explore templates for the new Etsy video feature. If you are one of the first ones to create these templates for people for the Etsy Explore page, then you will have the upper hand when it comes to some other products as well, because Etsy recently rolled out the Explore feature. It's very new. If you start creating templates for those videos now, you can tap into a very profitable digital product niche there. The second video-based digital product idea are Reels or TikTok templates. You can create very easily these on Canva with their TikTok or Reels pre-sized and pre-measured templates. They have a few variations there, but not as much, and there is a big room for creativity here. And not just with the sounds that is trending on TikTok and on Instagram right now, but with just simple reels that present a business's procedures of how they are creating their products, how they are interacting with their customers, and so on. And the third video-based digital product idea are social media ad templates. These are similar to the Reels and TikTok templates, but they are not the same because they have a different end result in mind, and that would be for the customer to click on that ad, and that ad would take them to the product page. Now here you have to be very short and very precise with your templates, because just think of yourself, what is happening when you are scrolling on social media and you see an ad. If it doesn't capture your attention in 1 or 2 seconds, the moment is gone and you scrolled through that. Video-based digital product idea number 4 are templates, video templates for UGC creators. I don't know if it's just me, but the algorithm on YouTube and on Instagram and TikTok is throwing at me lots of UGC related content. UGC stands for user-generated content. Some people like to create materials for social media, for websites of other businesses. And now these people have limited time as well, and if you create templates for them, then you can charge more for those than, let's say, a one-page printable file. The second factor that I think will lead to higher prices and higher margins are digital products which are designed with a business in mind. And I'm not thinking only about business planners, but here I see a big potential in PowerPoint presentations, Canva presentations, keynote presentations, and so on. Many businesses have projects and they have to present those results and those projects to their managers or their upline, and also students have to present their projects at school and university and so on. So in presentations I see a very big potential. The next great digital product idea that can make you lots of money next year, and it is related to businesses, are mood board or style boards. When the new year is lingering around, late December, early January, many businesses think about rebranding their visuals, their logo, their colors, and so on. To make their lives easier, you can create mood boards or style boards for them. This can be made very fast and very efficiently in Canva. I saw on the internet lots of good ones, but they were Photoshop files, and not everyone knows how to use Photoshop. So when you create a mood board or a style board on Canva, it makes the job of the end customer so much easier when it comes to editing and designing their new elements and choosing their new color. The third profitable business-related niche idea are business logos. Now here, it is best if you create sections in your shop and you name each section after a certain business niche. Let's say bakery, let's say beauty salon, let's say realtor, and so on. And you create lots of logos. Simple, complicated, it doesn't matter. You create those logos for these people. Well, the logo templates, not the logos themselves, because they will customize their own. And this way you can charge a lot for your templates or for your design work. Now, a note. The logos niche is getting kind of crowded, so you have to think very careful what kind of logos would you be designing. The fourth digital product idea that is good for businesses are any kinds of social media template. I'm thinking Facebook, Instagram, stories, anything that you can think of that is not related to video, because video takes up a notch everything these days. So just think about certain businesses and what kind of templates would they need for social media. They would need something for their reviews, something to present when they're launching a new product, they're announcing sales, and so on. There are already on Canva lots of good social media templates, but keep in mind that you will have to customize these to be able to sell them, and you have to make them different than the ones that there are on Canva already, because that way you would not infringe on Canva's terms and conditions. You can create big bundles, like I'm talking 300, 400, 500 social media post templates or story templates in one bundle, and you can sell that for a higher price than, let's say, 20 or 30 templates. So bundling social media templates is a really good and very profitable niche to get in. Okay, another business related and also video related niche, so this is a combination of the two that I was talking about until now. It would be to create branding packs for YouTubers. There are lots of new YouTubers out there, and they are in search of not just logos but also cover images and so on, and thumbnails. And creating thumbnails for them, but these YouTube branding packs can be very lucrative. If you want, you can stick to simple image design in this case, like the cover image, the logo, the thumbnail designs. You can create a bundle out of these, but if you would like to take it up a notch, you could create intro and outro animations. These are very useful for YouTubers like I am. I created my own in Canva that you can see at the end of my videos. That is an outro, and you can create several templates for intros and outros for YouTube. I would consider this its own category because it is animated. Highly profitable factor number 3 would be, in my opinion, anything related to weddings. Of course, there are some sellers that are selling their items at a subpar price to compete, but I believe that high quality wedding digital products are a really good niche to get into. And because big weddings are back, not just the small private ceremonies, but big weddings and parties and all the other events that are around a wedding are back, I think that the wedding niche is a very good one to start next year. Here you might have to invest some money into some graphic or design elements if you cannot do those by yourself. But anything related to wedding invitation, bachelorette, bachelor, bridal shower, bridal party can be very profitable. The icing on the cake is when you bundle these all together and you create a big pack of digital assets for weddings, and they are the same style, they are editable, you can use Canva template, Corel, and I've heard recently of Jet templates or something like that, but the options are endless here. Those were my ideas for the new year, and I will definitely create some of these myself because I see a great potential in them. But tell me in the comments, what are your plans for next year? What kind of digital products do you want to create? And also please tell me if you considered one of these products that I mentioned here, because in my opinion, these offer a higher profit margin and a bigger profitability chance. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I know it was very fast. I tried to make it very entertaining. So if you liked it, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for notifications of future videos from me. And what I want you to do next is watch this video where I talk about my failed Etsy shop, because I have one of those as well. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!